Good morning guys, today is day 7. I'm going for the island hopping in Panglao Island. Right now it's like 4:40. I had to be there in 6 o'clock. For the island hopping, the pickup point is Alona Beach McDonald's. I am staying in Chocolate Hills. It is almost like a 5.5 kilometer away from there. That's why I'm leaving 1 hour before. So this is how it look like 4:40 in the night. Everybody's sleeping. I'm just heading to the pickup point. This is the main road. I had to walk 5.5 kilometers that way. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully I find somebody to give a lift over there. Hi, good morning. There is a vehicle coming. Any of them to stop me to give me a lift? Let's try our luck. No luck. He cruised through. No luck. There, a couple of people are there. Maybe we'll ask some help over there. Anyone can give a lift to the McDonald's in the pickup point. Yeah.
We have no motorcycle, sir?
No motorcycle. No, he's coming to already. Alright, I got a lift. This whole situation can be avoided by, while booking the tour, ask the vendor can arrange someone for pickup service in the morning to your accommodation. Probably the vendor will ask 100 pesos extra. That will solve the problem. For the tour, I pay 900 pesos. If it is extra 100 pesos, the total will be 1000 pesos. Please keep this on your mind, guys. He is the one give me a lift. He is a nice guy and kind-hearted. Okay, now it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I came 1 hour before. Look at the situation. That's a McDonald's. Try some breakfast from McDonald's. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you.
My friend, are you a vlogger, my friend?
Yeah, I'm a blogger.
Oh, what's up?
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Bohol. Where are you from, my friend? Sananana. Sananana. Jari jari taran. But you know that song?
What song?
Sananana.
Yeah, that is very old song.
Sananana.
Very old song.
No.
Very old.
How long have you been here?
10 days.
10 days.
Yeah.
10 days. Ra or Raj?
Raj.
Raj.
R-A-G, Raj.
2.0.
2.0.
Life of Raj. My friend, let's subscribe him. Let's support people who are willing to, engage to something. Welcome to the Philippines.
Yeah. Welcome to Bohol.
Oh, make it a meal, but I don't drink coffee. With a hash brown potato, scrambled egg, beef patty, and muffin, Coca-Cola. Still, I have 40 minutes more to go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
This is our tour coordinator. She is here right now. As usual, you need to register your name before going to the island. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, thank you.
So our group start already. It is almost like 6:20. 10 minutes walk to the boarding area. Right now we are going to the Alona beach. That is our guy today. Hi. Almost end of Alona beach. There's a boat waiting over there. Look at that. That is our boat.
We will just wait here.
Sure.
Don't join to the other group.
Okay. It was a beautiful morning. We boarded at 6:40 a.m. We are on the move. We are away from the Alona beach. The first part of the island hopping tour is dolphin watching. It was pretty interesting because almost 25 boats actively searching for the dolphin. With 100-meter radius, everyone in the boat look for the dolphin. The best part is the dolphin come to the surface only for 10 seconds. After that, it go inside the sea. We never know where it's going to be pop up next. That is the best part. We continuously actively looking for it. That makes everything interesting because we don't know where it's going to pop up next. There. There, in the middle. Whoa! That's nice. After that, we never know where is it. Yeah, that's a really good one. It's a very quiet good one. This is a great shot you can get. I don't think so you'll get twice. Coming up next, Palikasa Island. It is a beautiful island. When I went to the first time, I screwed up the drone video. Because of that, I had to go second time to get this drone footage. Look how beautiful it is. In this island, you can do total watching and snorkeling. I highly recommend it. That is the video coming up next. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys next video soon. Bye.